Freshman Day 2018.
I'm excited about being back in school and being able to see my friends again.
I'm really excited about coming back to school where I get to engage with real-life students for a change.
I'm excited to be at Wilbur Cross because I can finally talk to people in person again.
I'm excited about all the opportunities Wilbur Cross will give me as a school.
Hi everyone, I am really excited about this school year starting. It's going to be great to have everybody back into our classrooms. I get to talk to you one-on-one, see your beautiful shining faces, and share the space together.
I'm excited this year because it's a new year and we get to see more faces and we get to play way more sports are available now, and I'm excited for that also, for more games.